A grandmother and her granddaughter have a funny coincidence. Their two ages use the very same two digits, just flipped around. Write down Grandma's age, read it backwards, and you get the granddaughter's age. The two ages add up to 88, and Grandma is 54 years older. How old is each of them?
Oh, flipping the digits barely changes a number, so their ages must be really close together. Wait, no. Grandma is 54 years older. That is a huge gap. So flipping must do something big. Pause the video and try it yourself. What do the two digits have to be?
Here is the secret. Grandma's age is 2 digits. Call the tens digit A and the ones digit B. The granddaughter's age is the very same 2 digits, just flipped. So her tens digit is B and her ones digit is A. Now add the two ages together. The first age is 10A plus B. The second age is 10B plus A. Together, that is 11A plus 11B, which is 11 times the digit sum. The total is 88, and 88 divided by 11 is 8, so the two digits add up to 8. Now take the gap instead. Subtract the smaller age from the bigger one. 10A plus B minus 10B plus A leaves 9A minus 9B, which is 9 times the digit difference. The gap is 54. And 54 divided by 9 is 6. So the two digits differ by 6.
Beep! 2 clues about the digits. They add up to 8, and they differ by 6. That is, meet in the middle. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. So one digit is 4 plus 3, which is 7. And the other is 4 take away 3, which is 1. Digits computed.
Now put the digits back together. 7 and 1 make 71. Flip them and you get 17. Let us check. 71 flipped really is 17. 71 plus 17 is 88. And 71 take away 17 is 54. Grandma is 71. And her granddaughter is 17. See what happened? The flipped digits looked like a trick, but the sum quietly told us the digit sum. The gap quietly told us the digit difference. And then meet in the middle finished the whole thing. This is the big idea. Digits and ages. If a two-digit age reverses to another age, then the sum is 11 times the digit sum, and the gap is 9 times the digit difference. So you can solve the digits with meet in the middle. Look for two ages that are digit reverses of each other. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.